My grandfather's couch. My grandfather's couch was a common couch which is placed in the living room at my grandparents' house. That couch had been on the house for more than 55 years. And even though the house has been through a lot of furniture and maintenance transformations, the couch remains in the same corner as always. When I was a little kid, I always went for spending a month or two at my grandparents' house in Monclova, Coahuila, and all the times I went over, my grandfather was sitting on the couch watching TV with a shot of tequila and orange slices. My grandfather was a mid-class man whose parents were owners of a little furniture workshop. When he was 10, part of the workshop burned, and one of the only things that remained intact were a couple machines, a table with its chair, and a couch. When he turned 21, he became a hard-working man who developed his own fabric, so as the time passed by, he started to gain fame and money around the town, until he became one of the wealthiest men around there. When he married my grandmother, they both bought the house where they live in, and since the moment they walked in that house, he decided what to do with that couch, place it on the living room. The first memory I got from my summer visits was spending time with my uncles and cousins at the living room, playing table games, making lemonade, and playing hide and seek. And all the times we were doing our things, my grandfather was always sitting on the right place of the couch, drinking his tequila shot with his orange slices. As years passed by, that right corner of the couch became the place where either I or my cousins could find my grandfather to ask him for money or just pass time with him. It was until this moment that I am a grown-up that I understand how my grandfather gave that couch a place in his house for more than 50 years. More than a couch, it became a sacred spot where he could remember and reconnect with his parents and those days at the furniture workshop. My grandfather passed by on March of 2008. Even though the couch does not look good because of its old and obsolete colors and shape, it will remain there because now it is a sacred spot where I can find him and have a special connection with him.